Are you wondering if Samsung Galaxy Buds 4 can actually be charged in any way without the case of them? So I have some bad news. So for example, let's see if I would want to actually charge my earbuds, if I have a phone that has, for example, like reverse wireless charging, I would simply go in the battery, wireless power sharing, turn it on, and see, for example, I can charge them without even having wire on me. But if you're wondering if you can actually charge basically these earbuds directly in the same way, for example by placing it on a wireless charger or on the back of your phone, then nope, I have some bad news, we can't do that. The only way how to charge them is through the case. So see, in the case you have these like two physical pins that essentially attaches to these kind of like metal contacts here on the bud, and that allows them to be charged essentially. So this is the only way how to charge them inside the case essentially. Okay, like